In this video, I will show you how to type in a path in Illustrator. So like if you have this shape, you need to type anything. So click on this type tool and select any anchor on any particular path and click on it. Here you can change font, size, or you can type your text and click anyway. So select any shape. Now select this type tool and click on this point on the path. So we can see we have this auto dummy text. You can write your text here. You can change font, size and size, and you can apply all settings. Thanks for watching.